Choose the right dispersal method for a tiny house septic system now, because slope and site constraints change performance more than tank size does. For a tiny house on sloped or constrained land, gravity-fed distribution is the simplest and most reliable option when you can locate the drain field below the outlet of the septic tank. Slope allows consistent flow without pumps, so place tanks and trenches to take advantage of natural fall and keep invert elevations accurate to within an inch. When gravity is not possible, low-pressure dosing offers even effluent delivery to drip lines or shallow trenches by using a small pump to dose each lateral in sequence. Size the pump to deliver short, frequent doses, and use equal-length laterals and pressure-compensating emitters to avoid preferential flow. Include a surge tank or dosing chamber between the septic tank and pump to decouple pump cycles from household water use so that dosing volumes remain consistent and solids do not reach the pump. Always design access points and service risers so the homeowner can inspect and pump the tank without heavy machinery, and specify removable covers over distribution boxes for easy balancing and cleaning. For any pump system, choose conservative float settings and an external alarm visible to the homeowner, and set the pump to allow automatic cycling but avoid short cycling by ensuring minimum run times. Document lateral lengths, emitter spacing, and expected dose volumes for maintenance and to make future repairs or upgrades straightforward. The three biggest mistakes are assuming gravity will work without verifying elevations, underestimating the need for backup and alarms for pumped systems, and making the drain field inaccessible for maintenance. If you assume gravity works, you risk hydraulic backup or surfacing effluent, so confirm all elevations with a qualified site surveyor and relocate tanks or add a small low-profile pump if fall is insufficient. If you skip a backup pump or alarm, the system can fail between visits, so include a battery-backed alarm and space for a second pump or quick connect wiring to simplify replacement. If you bury distribution components too deep or behind landscaping that blocks access, routine tasks like emitter replacement or flushing become costly, so plan visible, labeled access risers and clear, compacted service corridors. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tiny house septic systems, helping people find local professionals and discuss approaches for sloped or tight sites. We host a discussion community where users share real-world experiences, ask questions about gravity versus low-pressure distribution, and trade maintenance tips.